Hey everyone, welcome to the 5th day's video of Inktober 2020. Today's prompt is blade and I thought I would draw my favorite kind of blade, and that is a craft knife or an anti-cutter. This is not something complicated or it doesn't have that much of a story behind it. It's just a drawing, and what I faced while drawing it is that I felt I forgot how to draw, and I have been painting a lot lately and not doing pencil sketches in general, and I think that is why I had that kind of feelings. Anyway, this is another good thing about Inktober. Following a prompt is not always very easy, but it's good for you. It's not always easy because you don't always come up with an amazing idea with a word as soon as you read it or see it, and also because sometimes you have to do things that you weren't doing lately that much, so it kind of pushes you off your comfort level, out of your comfort zone I mean. And once in a while I think that's a very good change. So I'm just using a reference photo of an anti-cutter and sketching it with my Staedtler 2B pencil and using my kneaded eraser a lot because it's like a messy sketch. An anti-cutter or craft knife is a really useful and handy object for artists. And not just for artists, I think people in general also use it a lot. So after sketching it with pencil, I'm going to erase some of the lines and make it a little cleaner. Then I'll be drawing over it with my Micron pen. And then I suddenly decide to make a black background, an oval kind of shape with Chinese ink, and then I add some shadows and some ink to the subject. And I really don't know why after that I add a little razor blade and a sword inside the black background. So I know it's nothing very special, but the special thing about this drawing is I am continuing through Inktober still, and that's the special thing. I have just drawn something, just did something. And thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to Shuta's Universe, and I hope you never fail to be creative. See you in the next video. Bye.